Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Traverse and I will show you the location of the lifting or jacking points. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now I'm at front driver's side, and just down here you should have like a small arrow symbol which will point to the location of the lifting point. Now if we go under the vehicle, that should be right here on this thin rail. This is where you will place your lift. Now I will show you on the rear end as well. Now I'm at driver rear side, and also same thing, there is like a small arrow down here, and here is your lifting point, just here on this thin rail. This is where you will place your jack. Jack and the tire tools are located right here in the trunk area on the left side. So just want to remove this cover by pulling it towards yourself, and back there you will see everything in it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.